It's Dirty Diaper John, the baby who's about to spill the tea on Taylor Swift, pop's biggest overrated princess. Taylor's got more teenage fangirls than I've got diapers, and that's her entire fan base. Basically, she's the soundtrack for every basic teenage diary. Her whole fan base is basically a sleepover of drama queens who haven't learned how to adult yet. Shake it off? More like shake off those stiff dance moves. Bro, I've seen toddlers with better rhythm, and they're still learning to walk. Her music's so safe, you could use it as lullabies for babies, or for boring adults who hate fun. She's all about heartbreak anthems, but let's be real, her vibe's as predictable as a baby's nap schedule. Overrated, big time. Her concerts? One big sleepover party for tweens who think guitar chords are a new TikTok trend. If she's pop royalty, then I'm the king of this playpen. So here's to Taylor, the queen of overrated, the goddess of basic, and the ultimate bedtime story for hormonal teenagers. All right, that's Dirty Diaper John signing off, dropping burns hotter than Taylor's dance moves are cold. If you're feeling triggered, grab a pacifier and chill. Stay tuned for the next podcast where the chaos keeps coming.